Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, in Bhopal region, few of the colleges has received email from TCS for their selected candidate, and that information I have personally verified. You could see applied for the drive 5th of March, batch status 18th of May, offer letter generated 14th of July, offer letter accepted 15th of July, and ILP eligible 15th of July. We will talk everything in detail. Please don't worry about it. But friends, I just wanted to tell you, right? So TCS has some login issues, and that many of the students were facing. You, if you'll see in the chats here. So admin, why you are not replying to the login problems? So I said regarding this, TCS is trying to resolve the problem. You can also send a mail. So this was a issue basically from. So, sir, I'm facing my logging issue into TCS portal. So I had told them you need to wait issues from TCS side. And now the issue has been resolved. And one of the students were telling, sir, I am not able to see the code thing which you had explained in the previous video. Okay, one thing I am folding my hand and wanted to tell you, friends. See, whatever videos I bring now, I think that, okay, some information, okay, genuine information I should provide you. In this video, when I made, I clearly mentioned that this result upload in the next step portal, that this is a assumption and not the official email. It might be true or not. Even if you will check the description of the video, it is updated. So please, you have to be sure that whatever videos I am bringing it will benefit you, right? See, one guy had commented, sir, in every video you tell that 10 to 11 days it will take. See, many of the you will ask, sir, when the result will announce. So we can only expect. So from my side, I can only expect with some analysis, I can tell you that result will be coming in this day or that day. But it might come late also, it might come early also. That will never be in our hand. So that I will be making it very, very clear, right? See, trust me, you all have trusted us and we all have supported here. See, few of them, if you will say, sir, I don't trust you, I don't support you, but maximum has done that, and we will be keep supporting you always. Okay, fine. So now I think this login issue is resolved for many, correct? Okay, and I'm not sure if the code is not visible for everyone. So if it is not visible, please let us know. Now let us know the story what happened. So friends, I know the college name also and I know the candidate name also, but I'm not going to tell you anything about that because it's all about the privacy. So few of the colleges, let's say like 2-3 colleges, received the email from TCS that selected candidate list in Ninja, in Digital, in Prime. Okay, and it is also mentioned over there. It is slot 1. So even in that particular college also, everyone did not get the selected candidate. Everyone did not get the result. Okay, so there are many other has to get the result. This is about the off campus. We are not talking about the on campus, right? Okay. Now, so if it is on campus, all right. So the apply for the drive was in September 2024, right? So in 2024, but this is definitely off campus, and off campus have happened in March, April, May, July, the exams, and the interview happened in June sometime. Okay. So apply for the drive is 5th of March 2025. 18th of May 2025 is the candidate status is batched. 14th of July, your offer letter is generated. Here you could see. So TCS recruitment, even the student also got the email that you have to accept the offer letter now. And then 15th of July only the candidate accepted the offer letter, and 15th of July he is eligible for the ILP. So this is the image from the next step portal. Okay. And also this email. So dear, we are delighted to inform you that you have been successfully completed our initial selection process. We are pleased to share that TCS offer letter with you. Your offer letter is available to you in the next step account. Follow the instructions. So you have to go to this next step portal, log into system using your login credentials. To accept the offer letter, click on the offer letter, I accept button, and this is what is the process. Okay. Now question comes. So for what about other reasons? So friends, TCS, I will tell you, even you see, first of all, don't keep emailing to TCS about the result. Okay. See, many people also said sent a mail to the TCS that my code is this, my code is that. And I don't know if that is the reason TCS know about it and they have removed this. Okay. And I also right now not sure that the code status, whatever the status was there, if it was the exact one or it was some kind of mess. Okay. So that we will come to know only after the result is released. Okay. And I know today whoever see many people did not like this video when I uploaded that, sir, this video, why did you upload it and all those things. Guys, I wanted to, right? I clearly mentioned it's an assumption and please go through it. Please check it out and wait for the official email. But I don't know, like what you guys think and in what ways you guys think I'm totally not, unaware of it. But anyway, I will be keep helping you whenever it is possible and wherever it is possible. Okay. So that we have to see. Now for other reasons, guys, you need to please wait. Even in the Bhopal also. So everywhere you please need to wait. So according to TCS, they have clearly mentioned the, the result will be in the July end. So today it is right. So 19th of July. So another 10 days. See this who mentioned TCS mentioned. Based on that, I will be also telling you. It's not like that, sir, you are always telling 10 days, 11 days. Are bhai, I'm not, you see, I don't have any direct contact with TCS. I will go and tell when you are publishing the result for this college for that student. Nobody is having that. Okay. So even some days ago, I had made a video, document verification mail, TCS exact result date. So this also I have mentioned that your result will be announced by July end. Okay. So let's wait for the July end. This is what was committed by TCS. So you guys focus on the next hiring, the next exam, whatever it is. Okay. So even if it is 5 posts, 10 posts, you keep doing that. Result will be announced for sure. And you need to wait. Please, it's a request from my side. See, now, I am also coming up, with some kind of like, because right now we are not able to reply to all the comments. Okay. So making the videos, taking the classes. So it's not that easy, whatever you think. You just think, sir, why are you not replying to our messages? Okay. See, even there'll be people, right? So do not trust him. Somebody said, I trust you, sir. Somebody said, don't trust him. But I don't know, my team has put this messages. So that is definitely, even I don't like this kind of messages when it is put by the team. Okay. But still, like I'll definitely remove this comment at least. Okay. I will ask them to remove it off. But I will not come and, reply to all the comments and I will see what you guys are commenting. That definitely the team will be handling it. So don't worry about it. Okay. So it's sometimes, see, definitely if you go and talk something, see, if you don't like something, if you don't trust someone, don't watch. Okay. So that is what I will say. But trust me, we are here to help you. You are not our enemy, neither I am your enemy. So we will help each other. And that's for sure. Okay. So this is the information I wanted to give it to you. So the result announcement is real. This is the information I have verified from my side. From the next step portal, I said you the location, college name, and the student name will be definitely hidden for the privacy reason. Thank you. Take care and all the very, very best. Thanks a lot for your support and love that we always receive. And that is what motivates us to keep doing videos for you. Take care. Bye.